Welcome to today's daily video lesson. Today's topic is percents. As with all daily video lessons, feel free to pause the video and solve the problem on your own before seeing the solution. The number y is 20% greater than the number x. That means it is 120%, or 1.2 times x. We are also told that the number z is 20% less than y. That means it is simply 80%, or 0.8 of y, because we subtract 100 minus 20%. We can substitute y is equal to 1.2x into here to get z is equal to 0.8 times 1.2 times x. Simplifying 0.8 times 1.2 gives 0.96 x. Thus, z is 4% less than x. Let M represent Milwaukee's population, and let B represent Baltimore's population. We see that the population of Milwaukee, M, is about 96% of the population of Baltimore, B. Thus, M is 0.96 times B. Thus, if Milwaukee's population was about 595,000, we recognize that the population of Baltimore is going to be greater than that of the population of Milwaukee. The only option choice that is greater than 595,000 is 620,000. To confirm this numerically, we plug in 595,000 for M, and we have 0.96b on the right. Dividing both sides by 0.96 yields a number that is approximately 619,792. A car is listed with a price of 12,000, but this price decreases by p% and is now only 9,600. When decreasing any number by a certain percentage, what you do is you take 100 minus that percentage decrease, and you take 100 minus p%. This percentage of the original price, in this case, that original price is 12,000, then becomes the reduced price. In this case, the reduced price is 9,600. Don't forget that percent means per 100. So we have 100 minus p per 100. If we divide both sides by 12,000, we get 9,600 divided by 12,000, which is 0.8. Multiplying both sides by 100 yields 100 minus p is equal to 80. Thus, p is 20, and the price decreased by 20%. A recipe requires F cups of flour, and Arnold accidentally uses 50% more than the recipe requires. He uses, therefore, 150% of the required flour. 150% expressed as a decimal is 1.5. At the beginning of the day, we start with 500 items for sale. The number of items at the end of the day is R% less than the number at the beginning. Since this number at the beginning is simply 500, we can think of it as R% less than 500. As with the other problem, we have that 100 minus R% of the original starting amount, which was 500. This describes the percentage, a decrease in R%. Remember that percent means per 100. So we have 100 minus R per 100. And this is multiplied by 500.